Hello friends, in this video we will discuss some important questions of differentiation from CBSE board previous year question. So let us see. Hello friends, we have one question here, question number 27. If square root of 1 minus x square plus square root of 1 minus y square equals to a into x minus y, then prove that dy by dx equals to square root of 1 minus y square upon square root of 1 minus x square. So that means in this question some information is given, and based on that we have to prove that dy by dx equals to square root of 1 minus y square by square root of 1 minus x square. ये हमें prove करना है. So the first line, this information is given. Now चलिए देखते हैं how we can solve this question. So putting x equals to sin theta, okay, and y equals to sin phi, then we get square root of 1 minus sin square theta plus square root of 1 minus sin square phi, okay, equals to a into, in place of x we will write sin theta, and in place of y we will write sin phi, okay. Then we know that 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. So outside square root this will be, और चलिए लिख लेते हैं, कोई बात नहीं, square root of cos square theta this is, and 1 minus sin square phi is what? Cos square phi. So this is equals to a into sin theta minus sin phi, okay. Now this we can write as cos theta, right, if you simplify, and this is cos phi is equals to a into sin theta minus sin phi, okay. Now what we can do, we can shift this sin theta minus sin phi to LHS. So we will get cos theta plus cos phi upon sin theta minus sin phi equals to a, okay. So first of all we will apply some formula, trigonometric formula, okay, cos c plus cos d. So you can recall cos c plus cos d right now. So cos c plus cos d is what? 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So we will apply here 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, okay. Then in denominator we can apply sin c minus sin d. So can you recall sin c minus sin d? That is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. So we can apply here 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2 equals to a, right. Now we can see some terms cancelling out here, 2 and this cos theta plus phi by 2, cos theta plus phi by 2 cancelling out. So what will get then? I am writing this side, okay. So after this here, this implies cos theta minus phi by 2 upon sin theta minus phi by 2. Angle is same, so cos by sin is what? Cot. So we can write this as cot theta minus phi by 2 equals to a, okay. Now what we have to do, we can shift this cot to right side. So we get theta minus phi by 2 equals to cot inverse a, cot inverse a. When we will shift cot to right side, it becomes cot inverse, and we have a there, so cot inverse of a. We can shift this 2 as well to right side, so we will get theta minus phi equals to 2 cot inverse a, okay. Now before differentiation of these things, we must again convert theta in terms of x and phi in terms of y. So initially we assumed here x equals to sin theta. So what is theta then? Can you shift sin to that side? So theta is sin inverse x. So in place of theta we can write sin inverse x, and in place of phi in the same way we can shift sin to that side. So phi equals to sin inverse y. So in place of phi we can write sin inverse y is equals to what? 2 cot inverse a. 2 cot inverse a. 2 cot inverse a is a constant right now, because it is independent of x and y. So 2 cot inverse a is simply a constant. Now differentiating with respect to x. So differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x, right? So if you differentiate it with respect to x, what we get? Differentiation of sin inverse x is 1 by root 1 minus x square, okay, and differentiation of sin inverse y is 1 by root 1 minus y square. But as we are differentiating y here, so we will write into dy by dx, and this is constant, so differentiation of constant is 0 right now. So when we will simplify this, when we will simplify it, what we get, we can write 1 by square root of 1 minus x square equals to, we can shift these terms to right side. This is negative 1 by root 1 minus y square dy by dx. When we shift it to right side, it becomes positive 1 by root 1 minus y square dy by dx. Okay, now can we shift this root 1 minus y square to this side? I am writing here. Okay, so after this line, see in this space, so we have 1 by root 1 minus x square is equals to 1 by root 1 minus y square dy by dx. We can shift this root 1 minus y square here. So it is root 1 minus y square by root 1 minus x square equals to dy by dx. This is what we have to prove here. See, we have to prove this. So simply we can write properly dy by dx equals to square root of 1 minus y square over square root of 1 minus x square. This is what we have to prove. Okay. So I hope problem is clear to you. अगर आपको कुछ फ़ायदा हुआ इस प्रॉब्लम को समझने में आया तो kindly give a like here and subscribe this channel. Okay, thank you.